Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jason. Today we're going to be buttoning up some miscellaneous odds and ends on the Surplus Suburban. Stay tuned. If you've been keeping up with the Surplus Suburban project, you'll remember from a previous video, we replaced the grill and bumper in this Suburban with one from another parts truck that I picked up. Once I started getting those put on, I found that other bumper was bent up and didn't fit well either. So I put this black bumper and black grill from a Z71 Tahoe that I recently picked up on here. They're in really good shape. They're not bent, so they fit really well. And today I'm gonna get this rear bumper from that same Tahoe put onto the Suburban also. So we have a factory bumper here on the Surplus Suburban, but it's been all scuffed up and scratched up. I guess they were trying to do that to undercoat it or paint it or something, and it didn't adhere. It's got an aftermarket trailer hitch on it. So this aftermarket hitch uses different size bolts than a factory hitch. And it's also, they've kind of retrofitted this trailer plug onto it. So I'm gonna get this stuff torn off first. So we've got the two bolts that hold the hitch to the bumper removed. They were tight. I hit them with some penetrating oil. They zipped out. So then the next bolts I need to get undone are under here along the frame. We've got the two 18mm bolts there, a 15mm bolt there, and then one more 22mm that goes up through and threads into a captured nut on the trailer hitch. I'm gonna get those out next. Bolts out, the 4 on the passenger side, the 4 on the driver's side. Next thing to do is pull the bumper off. My tag lights are still connected, so I'm going to pull it off slowly so I can disconnect them, not rip the wire harness all to pieces. So we've got the bumper off the Suburban. Didn't damage any wiring or anything. Now we're just going to repeat the process on the Tahoe. And then we'll get the Tahoe bumper put onto the Suburban. Okay, so now we've got our Tahoe bumper off. All the bracketry is the same. Literally bolts up in place of where the factory Suburban bumper went. We've got the black Z71 bumper installed onto our Suburban. It bolts up. Now, I did put new tag light bulbs in and verify that they were good before I put them in. I also removed the spare tire lock from in there, so when I go to get it, I don't have the wrong key to get that spare tire out. And I'm gonna have to revisit probably another day this weekend or something and get a new plug and a new plug bracket put on. So the one other thing I want to try to get tidied up today while I'm out here, before I run out of daylight hopefully, is this plastic cowl piece. The clips that hold it to the metal part of the cowl are missing. The bolt's not incorrect on this side. There's a piece underneath here that's not seated down in the way it's supposed to be, and it didn't come with an antenna. So I'm gonna get this removed really quickly. It's just a matter of popping off the wiper arms, and then really the only one bolt is in place and this little retainer clip. And I'll get this off, get all the gunk cleaned out from under it, and then I'll get a good one swapped on from one of these other trucks. We are out of daylight and time for the evening, but we got that new rear bumper, well, new to this truck, rear bumper put on. We got our new to this truck cowl cover put on. Wipers reinstalled, everything reassembled the way it should be. I'm really happy with the progress on this project. Hopefully the next video is going to be of me getting the transmission that I rebuilt put into this thing and making it a fully functional driver again. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.